Hey guys, this is Code Man's Auto. We just got done rebuilding an 8L90 and a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. And we're wanting to watch the fluid temperature as we're riding down the road. Now we can hook our scan tool up, but it's actually on the truck. The feature is kind of hidden. And watch this video and let me show you how to get to that fluid temperature. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is introduce you to the controls that we're going to be using. The controls are a right click, a left click, and an up and down. This little roller, you just go up and down. You can feel notches as you're moving it. Then you'll go to the instrument cluster. That's where it should start out when you start the vehicle up. Okay, so the first thing you do is you scroll down. You'll see we got trip 1, trip 2, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, air filter life, which I really like that. I don't see that on vehicles. Brake pad life, fuel economy, info page options, and we're back to speed. Now what you will do is you will right click over to info page options. Then what you're going to do is you are going to push straight in on the little roller. You'll push straight in on it, and it will come up with all of these items that says info page options. You will scroll down. You see all of these have check marks. Now you notice that we didn't have no transmission temperature when we first started. So when you get down to transmission fluid, you're going to come back to your controls and you're going to push in again, and you see that check mark. And now you want to go back to where the speedometer is. So just go back again, and you're back to where the speedometer is, and there'll be an I for info that pops up in the middle. What you'll do from this point is you'll scroll back down. This is all the stuff that was on there before, but at the end, we have added our transmission fluid temperature. So that's how you get to your transmission fluid temperature. This is a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado with an 8L90 transmission. This is Code Man's Auto, and please subscribe.